Welcome everyone, and thank you for returning. If you're a repeat, I'm so thankful to have you. Today I'm just taking care of a few little chores around the house, and I thought I would bring you guys along. If you're new here, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Crystal. I live in North Carolina. I'm a full-time working wife who loves to put out cleaning, organization, and lifestyle content. If that interests you and you enjoy things like that, please click the red subscribe button below and join my family. At the time I'm doing this voiceover, I think I'm 3 away from 500 subscribers, which is halfway to my ultimate 1,000 subscriber goal for my first big milestone. So I would love to have you, and definitely give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. Don't you wanna be free? I feel like you guys see me wipe down all of my mirror stuff so much, but I wanted to give you a quick shot just so you can see what I'm dealing with. There are always tons of fingerprints and smudges, so I promise you I'm not just cleaning an already clean surface. If you guys follow me over on Instagram, then you know that we just got back from a Vegas trip. If you're not following me, please do. It's crystal_renee_lifestyle. That way we'll know what's going on with each other in between videos and just kind of chit chat and hang out over there. I forgot to mention that today I'm using my Jaws cleaner with my favorite shop towels. I change up my combinations all the time just to keep cleaning fun and interesting, but since this was pretty quick today, that's what I decided to go with, and it works great.
The sun is up, it's no doubt.
I had been waiting to empty this canister that I keep my fabric softener in so I could wash it. So I had taken care of that, and now I'm just refilling it. I had a little spill, and that Jaws glass cleaner actually works as a multi-surface too. So I'm gonna wipe it up with that. And then I'm just finishing up some laundry. Again, if you follow me on Instagram, you saw that after our trip, I had a mountain of it, but I got most of it done, and this was just what I had left.
Shed some light, some light. I'm free. I'm so proud of who I am. Now I finally found myself. I'm me. Done being someone else. Got my story left to tell. Happy without you. I know that it won't be long. You'll try to play that same old song, but I won't be around. I won't listen, my dear, 'cause I moved along, moved along. I'm free.
While I'm getting these whites started, I just wanted to tell you guys that I have an exciting video coming up on Sunday. It's something I haven't done before, so again, make sure you're subscribed. Click the notification bell. If any of you are having issues getting notifications, if you unsubscribe and then subscribe back, a couple of friends have told me that that will solve the problem.
So happy without you on my mind, now I'm doing fine. So happy without you on my mind, now I'm doing fine. So happy without you on my mind, now I'm doing fine. So happy without you. I just heard the other day. I'm so proud of you that you've been worried about my stay. So happy without you. I just heard the other day. Done being someone that you've been worried about my stay.
So I clean the lint out of the dryer every time I do a load, but I don't always vacuum it. That's about every few loads. And I don't know if you can see, but around those edges, it's kind of almost like a felt, and it holds on to all of that lint. So I definitely like to go around those edges, get that off, and then also in the machine itself, there's always a lot of lint down there, and the Dyson, especially on max mode, does a great job to get all of that off.
There's something about you that caught my eye. There's something so true that sparks a light. And I don't believe in love first sight, but I can't deny this thing I found. I'm not saying that you would change my life, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive. I'm not saying that you are just my type, but what I'm saying is you make me come alive.
The laundry's complete, and the master bathroom just needed a quick wipe down. That is our most frequently used because it's just the two of us, so our guest bathroom was okay this time. So I'm just gonna take care of that again with my Jaws cleaner and shop towels, and then I'll be whipping out my favorite Clorox wipes.
You walk like a queen, you rule my mind. Nothing more to feel with you, I'm done. And I don't believe in love first took control, but now I'm gone. Bye bye, bring the fire. You took something beautiful and made it something cruel. It's all that I get from you. You're so delusional. Now watch me take control. I've been running from myself like I'm somebody else. Kinda left me alone. All the love is gone. Now I'm coming around. Got a stake in the ground. Gonna stick it to you. I'm gonna let you go. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Let you go. Let you go. Let you go. I'm gonna stick it to you. Breaking free, finally. I paid my dues. Now you play the blues. Bottom line, you're out of time. Now you're gonna learn.
While I'm getting my toilet all sparkly with my favorite toilet wand, I wanted to mention that I'm trying a new posting schedule. I've had a really hard time with that because of work. I think Wednesdays and Sundays will work out better if I can kind of get ahead of it. So I'm trying to do that now while I've got a little time off. I feel like Fridays and Sundays were just really close together. So I'm gonna try that for a while. If I feel like I can maintain that, then I will definitely confirm that with you guys. I'll have it down in my description box. I'll post it on Instagram just so you guys know when you can find me.
I'm gonna stick it to you.
I hope you guys know how much it means when you stay till the end of a video. I appreciate it so much. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give this a thumbs up. I've got more content coming, a few different things that I'm really excited about. So don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell. Please leave me a comment, introduce yourself if you're new, and that's gonna do it. Thank you so much again. God bless you. I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.